Magic Box Adventures. I'm Luna.
And I'm Sunny, and this is Magic Box Talk.
Wow, let's see what's in that magic box today. Are you ready to sing our song?
I'm ready.
Open, open, open box. See what's inside. Here we go.
Oh, I can't wait to see.
Look at that. It's a sleepover.
It's our friends Candy and Pixie.
That's right. Oh, that reminds me of when you had a sleepover at my house when we were kids over at Granny T's.
I remember. I was a little bit nervous.
Oh, yes, I can say you were. You brushed your hair 100 times that night.
Yeah, brushing my hair always helps calm me down. So I was a little scared from what I remember.
Oh, but you got over it, and we
I
had
did.
a great time. It is a little scary when you're sleeping over at your friend's house for the first time.
It is. But it was a lot of fun, too. So.
Well, let's go and see what the story's about today. I can't wait.
I can't wait either.
Hey, girls, you want to come out and help me feed the goat?
Sure, Granny T.
What ducks, girls? See how pretty they are.
Oh, look how cute they are, Granny T.
Look at the mama.
See those baby ducks?
Oh, gosh, they're so cute.
I told you.
How pretty. I've never seen ducks before, little babies.
Sweet? How sweet.
And look, there's the goat. That's right, children. I'm going to open the gate. Hear the roosters? Come on, Maggie. Oh, watch out, little baby ducks. Don't let the goats step on you. They're following their mother. Come on, Maggie.
Come on out, Maggie May.
Maggie.
You gotta meet my friend Candy.
Maggie. She's eating some food. Oh,
Look.
Here's Maggie May trying to climb.
Maggie's eating you, Granny.
What are you doing, Maggie?
She's trying to get off, I think, Granny
She's
T.
trying to play.
I think she wants to meet Candy.
Candy, come and see Maggie. I don't know. I'm scared of her.
Don't be such a scaredy cat all the time.
Will she bite me?
No, she won't bite you. She's nice. Look, she's so sweet.
Oh, I don't know. She looks like she's going to get me.
Hi,
Oh, look,
Maggie May.
she's going to eat you up.
Hi, where are you going, Maggie?
Oh, she's wanting to get down.
Yep. See, she's sweet, though.
Come here,
Look,
Maggie.
she gives me a kiss. Hi.
Can you give me a kiss, Maggie?
Yeah, she'll give you a kiss, too.
She's not too scary.
No, not at all.
That's right. She's just a baby.
Oh.
Well, I was a little afraid because I've never seen a goat before.
Don't you love Granny T's farm?
I do.
It's so fun. Thanks, Granny T.
You're welcome, dear. Oh, there she goes. She's going to jump on. Watch her.
Funny, Maggie.
She's doing a dance. Look.
Goat. Granny T, how did you train her to do that?
Oh, it wasn't easy. Jump, Maggie, jump.
Jump, Maggie.
Jump, Maggie. She's dancing. Look.
Good dancing. Go. Hey, Candy, I'm so excited you're here. I have a great idea. What? Let's watch a movie.
Oh, that sounds like a lot of fun for a sleepover.
Yeah, Granny T's gonna make us some popcorn. I love popcorn.
I do too. She gonna put it in these pretty little bowls?
Yeah, aren't they cute?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, we're gonna watch my favorite movie.
What's that?
Monsters, Inc.
Monsters Inc.
Yeah, what's the matter?
It's got monsters in it.
Oh, don't be silly. They're nice, funny monsters. It's not scary.
Oh gosh, I'm afraid there might be a monster under my bed if I watch that.
Come on. Don't be such a scaredy cat. It's funny, I promise. You're gonna love it.
Oh, okay.
Oh, look, it's pretty toys. But it's dark. Oh, no.
Just give it a chance.
I don't know. Look, it's kind of... Is there something under his bed?
I don't know. You'll have to watch.
Oh, dear.
I promise. It's really good. You're gonna love it.
I don't know. I'm kind of scared of... Oh, no. What's going to happen? What's that? Oh, no.
watching.
I'm gonna close my eyes.
Don't close your eyes, then you won't see what happens.
Oh, that's just his shirt.
Exactly.
Okay.
Told you, it's not scary.
What's that? What's that? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! There's something under his bed! Pixie!
I'm so afraid. Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna pass out!
It's just a movie.
That is funny!
I told you. Hey, now Candy, wasn't that movie good?
Yeah, I really thought it was going to be scary. I was kind of afraid to watch it at my house, so I turned it off.
I told you it's really good.
Oh, gosh.
You just don't be such a fraidy cat.
Well, I'm glad that you talked me into it because it was a funny movie.
Well, I'm glad you liked it. You want to play dolls now?
Sure.
Well, we're at Granny T's, so I don't have a lot of my own toys here, but she has these Raggedy Ann dolls. Here, you can play with him. And I'll play with her.
Well, he's kind of dirty. Can I play with her?
Well, no, this one's mine. I like her better. You play with that one.
I really would like to play with that one.
Well, this one I'm playing with right now, so you'll have to play with him.
Oh.
You'll be all right. He's okay.
Oh.
He's just old.
Yeah, I know.
It's no big deal.
He's like 9
Come on,
years
let's
old.
play. Come on.
Okay.
Here we go. La 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 la.
Hi, I'm Raggedy Andy.
I'm Raggedy Ann.
I'm Raggedy.
You're Raggedy, all right.
I need a bath.
Candy, are you ready to go to sleep now?
Yeah, I guess so, but it's kind of difficult when you haven't ever slept in another bed.
Oh, don't be afraid.
Oh, I don't know if I can go to sleep or not.
You're too much of a scaredy cat.
Oh,
What?
did you hear that?
I didn't hear anything.
I think something's under the bed.
Maybe I did hear something. What was that?
I don't
Is
know.
there a monster under the bed? Here, you can use my special pillowcase. A skeleton! Oh, no!
What's wrong now, girl?
It's a skeleton on the pillow, Granny T. You must have it out for Halloween.
Oh, you scared me with that pillow.
I am a little bit scared now. Granny T, will you come check under the bed and make sure there aren't any monsters?
Yeah.
Okay, dear. This is the last time. Now you get to sleep.
And please turn on the light. I'm a little bit scared.
Me too.
There's nothing under your bed. You're good. Now go to sleep.
Oh, okay. Oh, she's gonna turn the lights on. That'll be better.
Okay. Candy, are you okay now?
Yeah, I kind of went into shock there.
I know you weren't even seeing anything. Your teeth were just chattering. You were so scared.
I know. I was so scared. I really thought there might be something under the bed.
I was scared too. And you know what, Candy?
What?
I kind of feel bad that I made fun of you for being a scaredy cat because I don't like how it felt when I was afraid.
I know, and it was nice of Grandma T to give us these teddy bears to sleep with.
Yeah, it was.
I think I'll be okay now.
Oh, good. I'm so glad you got to come for a sleepover.
Me too.
You're my best friend.
Oh, you're my best friend too.
Oh. All right. Good night. Sleep tight.
You too.
You know what?
What?
Tomorrow morning, Granny T's gonna make us blueberry pancakes.
Yeah, my favorite.
All right. Sleep tight, Candy.
Okay, good night. What's that? Oh no. Pixie snores. Will this night ever end? Ugh. All right, let me see if I can count sheep again. 1 sheep, 2 sheep.
3 sheep, 4 sheep, I can't keep up, they're too fast.
How'd you like that story?
Oh, well, it all turns out all right, except poor Candy. I don't know if she ever got to sleep with that snoring Pixie was doing.
I know. Yeah, she was on some logs.
She was.
And she wasn't very nice to Candy.
She
she
sure
was
wasn't.
bossy and
Yeah, not very sympathetic to her friend being scared.
well, it kind of changed though when she got scared herself.
Then she realized how it felt to be scared, and she didn't like that.
I know. I still to this day watch a certain TV show that come on at my bedtime, and it makes my heart drop because I hated to go to bed at night.
Oh, that's sad.
I know it's a little scary for me at night to go sleep, especially by myself.
Oh, yeah, being scared is a real feeling, and it is hard to overcome being afraid of things.
Yeah, but anyway, I'm glad that Candy spent the night and that hopefully they had some of those nice blueberry pancakes.
Oh yeah, Granny T's blueberry pancakes.
She makes
Those
some
are
nice
the best.
ones. Yummy.
Yum, yum.
Well, you know what? I'm getting a little sleepy myself.
Already?
Yeah, I didn't sleep too well last night.
Uh-oh, did you have a bad dream?
No, just some snoring going on by my dog, Mignon. Oh,
Oh, how
I
funny.
woke up and she had her head right by my pillow.
Aw, little Mignon. She's a cute little thing, even when she's snoring.
I know. We'll have to have her on the show.
Yep, we will.
All right.
All
Y'all
right.
take care.
Don't
and
forget to like and subscribe to our page.
That's right. And have a good night's sleep.
All right, bye.